from an outsider to a producer today. You come with a film like Dopati, you're a producer today. How does it feel, Kriti?
हाँ, it feels amazing. It feels like a journey. 10 साल से ऊपर हो गए and it at least feels like I'm progressing and I'm moving ahead and I'm evolving and I'm growing, and that's what I want.
An actor's hat or a producer's hat, which is tougher?
Which is tougher.
Yeah.
Producer's hat. Very tough. You have to manage too many people and too many things. And I am not very good at multitasking. So for me, I was like, oh my god, ye bhi hai, ye bhi hai, ye bhi hai. I think as a producer, you have to look at the film from a holistic sort of point of view, and you have to see everything from, you know, whether it's the edit, the music, small details of how you want the best version of that film to be put out. As an actor, I think you're just thinking about your character limited to your performance, which is easier.
You want to be a superwoman, I heard. I just saw your...
I would love to, if someone writes.
Any special? Anything special you want to talk about?
No, nothing special. I just feel like, you know, we've not had too many superheroes of our own coming from our country, except for maybe Krish, you know, and I would love to also do action, so why not combine the two, and if someone writes a great superwoman script, I would love to do it.
Ma'am, what do you like to say on the IFFI?
I think it's amazing. It's 55 years and it's a great platform that celebrates cinema, celebrates films all across, and it's an honor for me to be here. I couldn't be here when my film Media was in promotions. I was supposed to be there and I was sick, and today when I got a call, I was like, I would love to be here, especially this year has gone by very well with the grace of God, and I've had the fortune of films doing well, whether it's at the box office or now OTT, and to celebrate that, I'm here at it.
What will be your message?
Was shot in Goa. First movie with
My
Mahesh Babu.
first movie was it was shot all over, to be honest.
Okay.
There was the first schedule was in Goa actually.
First movie.
Yeah, Kriti, your upcoming film as a producer, you want to go solo or again what happened with Kanika as a producer?
See, right now I would say that I'm also learning. I don't think when I'm acting and producing solo, I feel like it's too much of a burden, and I may not also do justice. So for me, I feel especially when I'm acting in a film, it's just nicer in the beginning to have a producing partner, which could be whoever, who has the same passion for the film.
Woman writer.
You made your debut in Bollywood with One Name Akademi. Later, of late, you did Adi Purush, which is technically a Hindi film. So when you're coming back to Bollywood?
When I answered this in the session also, when I get a great script, because I've made my debut there, it's been like home. I would love to do another Telugu film, but it has to be also a script that excites you as an actor.
Women writers, very women writers को opportunity की बात करते हैं, तो किस तरीके से लगता है तुम्हें? And Kanika is a brilliant writer. Opportunities है enough for a woman writer to go and pitch and get things done easily?
Absolutely. I don't think जब आप कहानी सुनते हो आप सोचते भी हो कि लड़की ने लिखी है कि लड़के ने लिखी है. You never think. So I don't think there's ever a bias there or anyone thinks differently. I think a female perspective on things can come with a lot of shades, like how Kanika's does. It can have a different perspective on the same characters. It also is nice when you want to show women in different lights and stronger lights. And I think women also have a lot of empathy. They're just compassionate by nature. And I feel that brings about a lot of heart in the story.
Any biopic? Last question. Biopic you plan to be part of?
It's not come to me, so I can't.
No,
think of
any special person you think his or her story should be told, and you would want
I
to tell?
swear, अगर मेरे दिमाग में ये होता ना, तो मैं लिखवा लेती.
Ma'am,
So अभी मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा है.
Ma'am, any planning to do a movie in Goa?
Movie in Goa, तो it depends on the film. I can't say let's shoot a film in Goa.
So,
Kriti, now you're acting with Dhanush. How is that experience?
Yeah, good question.
Next time.
Thank you, Kriti.